Hey guys, Chef Garces here. Welcome to another Essential. This salsa, classic, simple. This is called Salsa Mexicana. And so what we have here is some fresh diced tomatoes. Secret ingredient here, these are roasted chopped jalapenos. Some diced red onions, nice fresh cilantro, lime juice, tequila, that's another secret ingredient. Pinch of salt, olive oil as well. Not traditional, but I like it to give a little richness. A nice mix. And super fresh, super easy. I'm gonna season this up. A little salt, a little bit of pepper. Put it right into my serving vessel, in there. So fresh. Get your salsa on, guys. See ya.